Made a mistake on a paycheck that's already been processed? Don't panic, ADP has processes to fix this. If you're worried about messing up your tax filings, you're not alone. Today, we're correcting a payroll error in ADP. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. The correction method depends on the timing. For very recent checks, you might void it. For older errors, you'll make an adjustment. Option 1, void a recent paycheck. If the paycheck was processed very recently, and often before the bank settlement date, you may see a void option. This cancels the paycheck entirely as if it never happened. You can then run a new, correct paycheck. Option 2, make a payroll adjustment. For paychecks that can't be voided, you must create an adjustment. This is a separate payroll transaction that corrects the net pay and tax amounts. ADP will use this to correct your quarterly and annual tax filings. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: contact ADP support before correcting significant errors. For large overpayments or complex tax errors, call ADP's payroll support. They can guide you through the best correction method for your specific situation and ensure your tax filings remain accurate. It's better to be safe than sorry. So, just like that, you have a path to fix payroll mistakes. A prompt and proper correction goes a long way in maintaining accurate records and employee trust. Now I'm curious, what's the most common type of payroll error you've had to correct? Hours, rate, or taxes? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.